grade 11 science, uh, understanding electricity. Now this is the video number 2 of this series. Now let us discuss this question. These are three resistors R1, R2, R3. They are connected in series to a DC supply with a potential difference of 6 volts. Supply is 6 volts supply. Now, resistance of this resistor is 6 ohms. Resistance of this resistor is 4 ohms. Resistance of this resistor is 2 ohms. Now first let us calculate the effective resistance or the equivalent resistance or the total resistance of these resistors as they are connected in series. Total resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, 6 plus 4 plus 2, that is 12 ohms. Effective resistance or the equivalent resistance of these three resistors is 12 ohms. Now, let us calculate the current gained from this supply or battery. Current I. Actually, according to Ohm's law, you know that V is equal to IR or I is equal to V upon R. Current can be calculated by dividing the voltage or the potential difference by the resistance. Now, total resistance is 12 ohms, 6 plus 4 plus 2. Voltage 6 is also called potential difference, R 12. Therefore, current is equal to I equals half an ampere or 0.5. Current is equal to 0.5 amperes or half an ampere. Half an ampere. Now, let us calculate now the potential difference across this 6 ohm resistor. Potential difference across this resistor R1. V is equal to IR. I is half. R is 6. Therefore 3 volts. Actually, potential difference which is actually acted on this resistor is 3 volts. That is, potential difference between these 2 points AB, or you can say VAB, is equal to IR is equal to half multiplied by 6, 3 volts. Potential difference between A and B is 3 volts. And now potential difference between B and C, between these 2 points, or you can say across this resistor R2 or 4 ohm resistor. I half R4, 2 volts. Now potential difference across this resistor or between these 2 points. One volt. Now 1 volt. Between these 2 points, voltage or the potential difference is 3 volts. 2 volts across this, 1 volt across this. Now from this, it is very clear that the potential difference is divided across the resistors. Potential difference is divided to all these resistors when resistors are connected in series. Actually, when resistors are connected in parallels, when they are connected in parallel, what happens? Let us see this. Now, say bulb number 1, bulb number 2. Now here, these bulbs are connected in parallel to this. Therefore, for both these actually, this is the potential difference. Potential difference acted on this bulb, 6 volt. For this bulb also 6 volt. That parallel, no? But current is dividing. See, current is, if the total current is I, it is divided as I1 and I2. Now that's the difference. Now let us calculate. Now, when resistors are connected in series, potential difference is actually divided to all these. When they are connected in parallel, potential difference is the same potential difference, but actually current gets divided. Here, current is the same, but potential difference gets divided. Now this is very important. This is very important. Now, the question like this is actually sometimes you will get for in your MCQ paper also. Therefore, these are very important. So, please do actually try to work out more sums actually on electricity, and in our next video also actually understanding electricity, third video is also, I hope to do some sums actually, some problems to discuss. Ask your friends also to participate in these, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.